Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi bully. I'm at home chilling, me and my son. Today we're gonna be talking about what's coming to the bakehouse, possibly a new UI, and also the BCT token is booming. It's booming. I told you guys, it's not too late. You can still get in. And how is that affecting the baked beans miner? But before we get into that, let's head over to the YouTube channel. We on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Like this video, because you know I'm going to bring that content. Look at that. Oh, man, look at that. 777. I'm feeling lucky. Although I didn't get into that pre-sale earlier, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? And just to touch lightly on that pre-sale, I just don't believe it's that possible. Even if I was on Telegram for a little while, like not even a little while. If you saw the video, if you didn't, you can look at my last video or the second to last video before this. And you can see I was right there. I had the trading screen up, and the shit was just ridiculous. Not the trading screen, sorry, the Piston website. Anyway, bots. But let's look over here at the baked beans house BCT bean chart token. And look at that chart bar. It's looking good. Look at that jump it had. Man, I feel like it's only up from here. It's only up from here, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw in 100 on that. Yeah, I mean, some people are like, oh, he's buying the top. I fuck with it. I know they're gonna do good. And I made the money back anyway. Plus, it's helping the beans miner, the greatest miner in the world. I love the baked beans miner. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a little deposit on both of them. Yeah, yes. And I'm gonna show you why I'm so bullish about this baked beans miner and why I'm so bullish about the BCT token. Their whole ecosystem is just, I feel like this is the first thing, and I've been through a lot of different projects in my short journey in DeFi. Look at that. So I got some of that in my short journey in DeFi. And the way I got to this, I actually, at the bottom of the site, at the baked beans project, not all the way at the bottom, sorry, but the baked beans project right here, you could go buy at PooCoin, and then they'll bring that up. If you're on here, once you're on here, you could just press trade right here. Just for some people that don't really understand. I understand. I was new too. Yeah, I mean, I've been through a lot of things, and like I was saying, with this project, y'all might hear my son making some noise, but like I was saying, with this project, why I'm so hopeful and so, like, you know what I mean, confident in them, it's like the people so genuine, yo. I feel like I rarely meet people like that in this world, and not even just crypto and DeFi, just in the world. And when you see people that'll like actually talk to you one-on-one and let you know what's going on and help you with like certain things when you don't understand, when you're new to this, like contract addresses and this and that, like, yeah, I mean, you should at least show a little bit of support. At least that's what I would do, you know? And that's what I would do. And that's why I say, like, if you were looking to join this, you can use my referral link. It'll be down below. But I'm not just in this for no referrals, because people, I heard somebody talking about some referral stuff. I'm not even trying to jump over the place with my drip. I ain't got no referrals. My splash, I don't got no, like, I don't, like, I just said, just, I mean, I know it'll help. You feel me? So shout out Baked Beans and all the devs that's behind the bean chart token. I know it's gonna be something great, and they're utilizing it because there's gonna be some like merch coming out and all this other stuff. Hold on. Uzziah, what is it? Sorry about that. Yeah, so like I was saying, if you look over here at this bean chart, I'm over here getting confused. The baked beans miner site. The contract is at 3,774. That is crazy. It's almost at 4,000. Let me refresh this. 3,781. And my rewards is at 156. And to be honest, I did claim today to help me with the pre-sale for what's the name, but I didn't get through with that. So I'm gonna just throw that back in with a little bit extra. Let me see how much I got. What does it say? 156. Damn, look at that. $67 in like about 9 hours. That's not bad. It's not bad, people. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna eat some beans. I'm gonna throw in a little hundred, throw in a little hundo. 0.23. Show you guys how to bake beans. 0.23. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. I almost forgot. I have to send some BUSD to my BNB. Yo, so how you guys day going? How was that pre-sale for you guys? I like to hear y'all stories. I know a lot of y'all was already telling me. And if you do need help to go through things like this or you get stuck in anything, my Telegram group is down below. That's Bullpen Millionaires. We help people out. There's a lot of insight in there, a lot of like secret things coming out, hidden projects that a lot of people don't know about and such and such. So be sure to join the Telegram group. We're growing this whole ecosystem. All right, so right now I'm switching this BUSD for BNB. Okay, swap that. I'm gonna just max that right there. You feel me? And as that's going through, okay, let me confirm that really quick. How many people you guys got into crypto and DeFi? I try to convince a lot of people. A lot of people skeptical. My wife got in it. I got some of my friends in it. But like a lot of people, they be like, oh, you could lose your money. Yeah, it is DeFi, it is crypto, it is risky. And I'm not a financial advisor. I be telling people,
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.
yeah, like Vibes Cartel says, it's just entertainment. But it's an opportunity to make a lot of money. And what I like about it, I am kind of aggressive with my projects and stuff, but that's where the money is. Scared money don't make no money. At least that's how I see the world. Let me stop my blabbing. Bake some beans real quick now that I got that BNB. Okay. Okay, people. Let's see how many beans I have. Let's see how many beans I have. Right now I'm at 31,625,000. Let's see how much that $100 increased that. 31,625,147. Now I'm at 40 million. Let's go. 40,855,823. Oh my God. Was there anything else? Yo, I'm telling you, and it's paying out. Trust me, it is paying out. So the links will be down below for you to get started in this. Get your bean chart token before it's too late, because that's gonna moon soon. And get your baked beans and start baking, and make sure you're rebaking so we can keep feeding this, so we can hit to 4,000 BNB and then 5,000 BNB, then 100,000. You heard me? I'm Nasa Ben Kabi. I'm gonna keep this one nice and short and sweet. I'm out.